Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install SSL certificate on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, if you see not secure on your site, that means there is some error of SSL certificate. So to resolve this problem, you have to access your cPanel first. So click on the SSL/TSL and then click Manage SSL Site. And now select the domain of your website. After that, click Autofill by Domain button. And now install the certificate. After installing the certificate, click on the OK button. And here you can see that the connection is secure now. So that's how you will install SSL certificate on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.